Imagine owning gadgets so powerful they feel like they shouldn't even be legal. But you can buy them online for less than 50 bucks. You don't need a $1,000 setup. You don't need to be some tech genius in Silicon Valley. If you've got under $50, these 3 AI gadgets feel borderline illegal for how much they can do for you. Watch to the end, because the third one might actually change how you study, work, and organize your life. Let's go. First up, this tiny recorder. At first glance, it looks like a cheap voice recorder, but this thing is secretly a portable AI assistant. You clip it to your shirt, hit record, and forget about it. Lectures, meetings, interviews, random ideas. It captures everything. Here's where it gets scary good. When you're done, it doesn't just save raw audio. It uses AI to turn your recordings into clean, readable text, full transcripts, bullet point summaries, highlighted key ideas. Students, this is a straight-up cheat code. No more writing notes at 100 miles an hour. No more missing half the lecture because you're still on the last sentence. You just listen, ask better questions, and let the AI handle the boring part, even for creators. You can record video ideas, scripts, or podcasts on the go, then have the AI organize everything for you. For under $50, that's actually insane. Next, this smart ring. Yeah, it looks like a normal ring, but it's basically a digital business card and a smart key on your finger. There's no battery, no charging, no tiny screen to crack, but somehow it still stores your data. You tap it on someone's phone, and instantly your Instagram pops up, your website, your portfolio, your contact info, whatever you set. At events, you don't need paper business cards. You just tap, they gasp, and your link is already saved in their phone. You can even connect it to smart locks or simple automations. One tap to open something. Trigger a shortcut or share a file. Every time you use it, people think you're hacking their phone. It feels illegal. It feels futuristic. And somehow, it's cheaper than a basic t-shirt. Now the last one is dangerous in a good way. This is a pocket thermal printer, powered by AI. No ink, no cartridges, just rolls of paper. You can throw in your bag. You snap a photo of notes, a diagram, a to-do list, or even a meme. The app uses AI to clean it up. Sharper text, clearer lines, less noise, and then instantly, it prints. You can crank out study notes, labels, daily checklists, sticky reminders, or little motivational quotes for your desk or wall. If you're a student, a planner addict, or just someone who hates digging through messy phone screenshots, this thing turns your digital chaos into something you can actually use. It's fast. It's weirdly satisfying, and it works way better than it should. For the price. So yeah, these aren't giant humanoid robots or flying cars. They're small, smart tools that actually make your life easier. And every single one of them cost under $50. Links to all three are in the pinned comment if you want to check them out. Now tell me in the comments, which one feels the most illegal to you? And should I do a part 2 with even crazier AI